Hi, my name is Venkatesh. Today our topic is data migration for the supplier. First of all, we should know that what is the data migration in the real time we can discussion about today. Okay, as the most probably the real time. So what happened, right? The client they will assign okay, we can load the data. We can load the data into our source system. What is the source system? What is the target system? We can understand firstly what identify the what is the data and what is the, all the thing we can identify the from scratch to target system scratch onwards. So I'll explain the one by one. Okay, so for example, I'll explain. Look at here, this is our source file. Okay, serial number. This way example of the client provided this type of data: vendor name, supply name, country, organizational code, supplier, taxpayer. Okay, before going to we are choose. See, we're actually having a one template is there that is called data migration. Okay, this is a Oracle by default. There is no template here. Only seeded template only we can use. That is called FBDI template. Seeded template. That is called FBDI. What is FBDI? Why did you use the FBDI template? See, Oracle developed the one. This is a VB Excel format only. It is auto-generated thing. They mention that the formulas. So we cannot change the header column. This is the thing. First of all, okay, identify data. This is the data, source data. What is this source data? This way we'll get the data from the client. So check the data, all the columns, whether the okay, no problem. This first thing, check the spaces. Second point is there's no duplicate section. Any vendor name, any supplier name, there's no duplicate at all. Okay, that is a mandatory. After that, this is a source file. After that, identify the template. How to download template? See, in Google, you can go for Google. You can open the anytime. For example, supplier, header, FBD template. Just click on the FBD template. This is a file-based FBD template. Okay, very easy method. Okay, you can download the template. This is the supplier model. Under the procurement, look at here. This is a procurement. Okay, 24C versions is there. We can change the version also. Look at here, docs, Oracle, in the SaaS model. Our the current is the SaaS model, procurement 24C. This is a navigation. No problem. See, if you forget that this navigation, no problem. Simply Google can type it supplier ability template header. You will get all the details. Purchasing. See, look at here. PO document, PO document also available. Requisitions also. And this is a supplier. Okay. What is the supplier? How many types of suppliers is available? So almost is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 8 number. Most of time, the maximum we can use the 5 and rest. And this is a sequence based. Yesterday I explained to the. This is a yeah. This is a sequence. First, we can load the header template. Second, address and the site assignment, contacts, bank accounts. That's all. We can follow this sequencing. First, identify the sequence model. Yes, we second step is over. Then identify. Then open the template. This is a template. Yes, simply we can go for the Google. Simple. Click on uh, template here. This is a file name. This is a Excel template. Okay. Simple. Click on the Excel template. Automatically it will download from the local folder. Okay. Where is our local folder?
Next week.
Yes. Unblock it.
The signal is going to degrade further because of the rain.
Yeah.
And then you might start to see issues.
Okay.
Not so much the picture disappear, you might
Hello.
start getting like a stuttering on there.
Okay, no worries.
Hello.
And you'll
Can
listen
you
to
mute?
it stuttering on the audio. So
Yeah. This is a supplier. Okay. enable the content. This is supplier. Okay. This is the sample data. We don't want all the things sample data. Okay. As per our source file, we can copy paste it. Okay. We can. Okay. This is a template. Okay. This is a batch ID. Batch ID means nothing but, see, if this is interface template, we can pass it the batch ID. Why? It's a mandatory column. See, number of times we are passing the, we are scheduling the jobs so that, uh, see, not only you, some other persons also we can load the data. Which batch we can identify it, so that batch number is a mandatory supplier. So we can mention the batch ID every time. Otherwise, it will show in the old version also. Sometimes error data also we can consider. So don't want any repeated batch ID. Always you can take the fresh batch ID. Okay. Here, first one, create. Why means create means for the first time data loading, we can option action is there, create option. And second, okay, batch ID. Whatever you want, batch ID. For example, any number you can pass it here. Okay, this is a batch name, alphanumeric. Always should be of alphanumeric. Okay, BAT batch 900 our batch ID. Okay, for the first time, create button, create, select the creator. Okay, where is our source file? This is our source file. Source file means client provided data. So we cannot change the data. Same data we can copy paste. Anything changes required, we can contact to the client, one more, our functional team or client directly. Okay, we send the mail. Okay, this is a supplier name. Okay, this is a vendor name. We can call it a backend. We can call it a vendor name. Is a is a front end. Is a supplier name. Okay, this is a backend table. Base table name is a vendor name. Okay, there's no difference. Supplier name. Say client understand only supplier name only, not is a vendor name. Okay, this is alias name. You can call it alias name. Okay. Next, what about the thing supplier number? Same, copy paste it. Next, what about the thing tax organization type? This one, supplier. This is a common standardization. Why means we are first time using the thing, already exit data we are using data means standardization. Current data means that is a prospective. Old data we can call is always we can select the standardization only. See, whatever the current data now onwards, this is 25 minutes already, March is completed, is a May continue. So we can choose the prospective. Prospective means new data, it's a current data. Okay. See, whatever we are loading data is a old data. So old data. So why is the old data? It means is the exit data. One system to another system. We are migrating that data. One system data migrating that data. See, old data we are migrating to new system. What is our new system? Old data is a any DBS system. DBS. Okay. This is new data Oracle Cloud. So this is the data 1 to 3 data. Same data we are migrate to the cloud. Okay. This is called as the old data. New means current data. Current data will be, we can choose the prospective. Old data means standardization. That is the difference. Okay. is well, okay. I'll take the common thing. Indian. Okay. So above 2 1, we can rows, we can delete it. Any doubt as of now here? Let me know. This point, any doubt? Guys, I'm asking to you, any doubts? Filling the data?
You say, sir, suspend like a new data. You are going to create a new data, right, in the system?
Prospective. This one, right?
Yeah,
This is, we can consider old data. We can consider. Spend authorizations, we can call it the old data. Always.
old data.
Mm.
Okay.
See, why? Because we are
Old
migrating to,
old data, nothing but this data already in the system, or we
no,
are
no,
going
no,
to
no.
migrate the
See,
first time in the
yeah,
system.
actually, first time system is, let's say, before there is some other software, right? Once,
Yeah.
so the system is a different, cloud is a different, right? We can, because same data, we can migrate the data.
Okay.
Okay. Last, they want the, see, in the system, they don't lose the old data, right? Old data also very important, right? Old customers also important, right? Yes or no?
Yeah.
Last 10 is data. See, in the Oracle SaaS model, they can provide only last 5 is data, last 10 is data. Okay, we required. The company started by 40 is old. Okay, but our conditions say we can load the only 10 is data, or else 5 is data. So 5 is data, we can migrate to the our current system. What is our current system? Cloud, Oracle Cloud. Okay, you got it point?
Okay,
Eh,
sir.
mm. Any doubts? Okay. Yes. Now is the we can save the data. Then where is our folder, local folder? Keep it the local folder. Okay, generate the CSV. This is a CSV file. Look at it, look at here. Everything they can mention is prepare the table, how to Excel. This is a JPOT loading data is the CSV zip file and Excel formats. By this is the conditions. Okay, recommendations. Then generate the CSV. Yes, click on OK. Now our zip file ready. Then next step is the cloud instance required. So one moment, I'm checking the cloud instances, which is one. Yeah, look at here. This is a cloud URL.com. Look at here. This is a login details or cloud instance. Okay, Oracle cloud instance. This is a username, password. Click on the sign in. Okay. Okay, this is a opening window. Here the taskbar is there. Here everything you can. What is a module wise details is available, and you can. This is a click on the home. This is a called is a home button. Okay, in the home button, we can go for the tools is there. Okay, this is a right. Click on the right arrow mark is there, and tools. Click on the tools. Here schedule process there. Always we can consider schedule process. We have the some job names is there. Load interface. Okay, first step is there. Step one, loading data. Load percentage int. This is shortcut. Okay, load percent. Okay, look at here. Click on the schedule new process. Search. Where is your shortcut button? Here. Okay, search. This one. Full name of the thing. Okay. Next step, we can click on OK. This is the import process. Means this is the our job name is the import supplier. I'll show you the. Look at here. Import. This is our Excel template. This is a link. Import supplier. The schedule process. The table. This is the interface table name. This is the job name. Okay. Did you observe thing? This is schedule. Go to schedule process and import supplier. This is a job name. Okay. Select the job name and next step is import supplier. Okay. And click on search. Same as it is. I'm copy pasting the thing. Yes. This is a supplier. Click on OK. Yes. Select the upload new file. Choose file. This is a latest zip file. Okay. Cl- Click on open it and OK. Then next step is the third submit button. Okay. Submit. Just refresh it. This is the button refresh it. This is the status. Our load interface file is going to first ready, status ready, then first running, the ready, and succeeded. Now, see whether the data is loaded into the our interface table or not. What is our interface table name? Go to our interface. This is our interface table name. Okay, interface table name. Okay, that is the system is showing the correctly, but we should know, right, whether the data is loaded into the interface or cloud database or not. We can check the backend. Okay, click on the duplicate button. Yes, again, tools here, report, click on the report analytics. Okay, then click on the browser catalog. Here, taskbar is there. Click on create and select the data model. Here, click on the plus button, select the SQL query. Here, naming convention, supplier header, data source, FSCM. Okay, standard SQL. And the query is the, we can, small query is there. Just select star means we'll get all the details. What is our table name? Go to our, this one. Where is it? This is our table. This is called our table name. And where just condition, creation date greater than equal to sys date. Means only today data will get it. The condition creation date automatically will available the template. Okay, in the table sys date today date. This is the sys date. We can call it a sys date. Okay, copy paste here. Just click on OK. Okay, click on data. Again, click on view. This is table view. Again, click on table view. This is the data. Okay, I think, yeah, this is a, okay, somebody already created it. This is rejected two and now. Okay, somebody is loading data. Okay, no problem. This is our batch ID. What is our vendor name? This is a, where is our source file? This is our source file. Where is our target file? Template. This is a template. CD template. This is a two names. This is supply number. This is a segment one is a supply number. Backend it shows the segment one means supplier. Segment is we can call is a supply number. Okay. This is a vendor lookup code. Okay. Organization name. Okay. This is everything. Okay. Now, yes. Now successfully load into the cloud database. Any doubt here till now? Now is the data into the cloud database. Tell me any doubts here? Guys, any doubt?
No, sir.
Yeah, yeah. Speak out. Any doubt?
No, sir, no.
Okay. Shall I proceed to the next job name. Our next job name is import sub. Again, we can load. Where is our yes? Okay. Next, our job name is again fourth step. Import supplier. Select. Click on OK. Then here batch ID. Fifth step is we can pass the batch ID. Where is our batch ID? Click on our template. This is a target CD template. Okay. Batch ID. We can copy paste. Then submit. Click on OK. Refresh. Just click on refresh automatically. Status running, running, next ready, and succeeded will come. Shows the first is running, then ready, then succeeded. Status will be keep on changing while the refreshing time. Okay, just refresh it. Okay, now is our import supply is succeeded. Okay, just click on the succeeded button. Okay, here log file. Okay, next step is the check the log file whether success or fail. Okay, click on PDF. Select the PDF. Click on the PDF. Yes, our our status is B. Record count is a 2. Supplier imported. Click on the just 2. Yeah, this is a action create supplier name and supplier number. So this is a CD template output. Okay, just we can check the backend also our whether the loaded or not, and check it one more time the front application side also. How to check the application side? We can call this is a Oracle application. Okay, this is a look at here. Here also this is taskbar is there. You can go for this is a receive models is there. Total is a this is a finance SCM finance models. Two models is there, finance and SCM. Okay, under the SCM we can go for the procurement. Okay, models wise. So you should know the where is our procurement. Yeah, here click on the procurement. Under procurement, these are the requisitions, purchase orders, and suppliers. Click on the suppliers. This is the page of the supplier page. First, here, right hand side, this is a task is there. Just click on the task. Or as a search button also we can search. You can pass the supplier name. If you know the supplier name, doesn't know, no problem. Click on the task. And this is the supplier, create supplier is the manually we can create it or manually we can create and through FBDI process also we can create. Why is this manually, see manual also we can see per day how many maximum 20 30 for the FBDI template 1 lakh data also we can load within the 1 day. That's why Oracle designed by CD template we can load and 1 lakh data also per day. And but manually we cannot create the per day 1 lakh data. That's why we can go for the FBDI template. Bulk data. If anyone asks the why choose the FBDI template, why not manually created? Means manually we can create is a this is a create manually. So Manually, how many times we can create? Maximum 30, 40. But at a time, 1 lakh record we can load it. How much time with the factor of maximum 30 within the data preparation time, altogether loading time is loaded time maximum 5 to 10 minutes. That's all. We can create it data, but manually it will take a lot of time. That's why less data we can go for manually. Bulk data we can go for the FBDI template. Okay. So click on the manage template. Here keywords we can mention the supplier name or vendor name. Where is our vendor names? Yes, this is a supplier name. This is supplier name. This is supplier number. Tax organization type, supplier type. Status will be active. Our creation date, where our creation date, today date. As the source is the imported, means FBDI template import. Okay, this is a column. Okay, this is a another columns. If it is a required, okay, tax registration numbers. This is a our taxpayer ID US. Look at here, our taxpayer ID. Everything is came to here, right? Anything missing here? And okay, next process is we can check the base table, base level. Okay, now is the completed whether success is our data will be succeeded. Now we can check the backend table is there. Base table we can call is the base tables. What is our base table? POZ suppliers underscore V. And moreover, we can call is a rejection table also is available. This is a if it in case is the errors come, this is the rejection table. Okay. If data gone for errors, then table name is this one. Okay. It is a succeeded, then this table. Okay. We can write small SQL query, select star from star means all data. This is the table name. Table name predefined. Okay. And condition. Again, here. So this is the interface table name. Again, base level. Supply header. This is a base level table name. Data. Again, click on view. Again, table. Click on the table view. Look at here. Data. See our vendor name info sys 123 Dell info sys. This is a vendor ID. This is segment. We can call it a supply number. This is a vendor lookup code. Okay. It's a organization type. Everything. Okay. Okay. Now is a we can write a small query. So whatever the client is, we can pass the data. Simple thing. We can call it SQL query. means select pivot, like you can write the query pivot supplier underscore B. Okay, like vendor name, segment one, like you can copy paste like that, whatever you want names. Okay, vendor name, segment one, this is vendor lookup, all the whatever you want columns, you can basic query you can write, you can save the data, we can copy paste here, and you can generate the report. That's all. Any doubt? Guys, any doubt?
No doubt, sir.
See, now you can understood, right? How to load the supplier data migration?
Yes, sir. Sir, that zip file, how we are able to get there, sir? You have uploaded the zip file, right?
Yes, sir. This is a look at here instruction. This is generate the CSV file.
Oh, okay.
Okay, got it now?
After loading the data, if we create the generate CSV file, it will automatically generate two files. One is a normal CSV file,
Yes,
and then
yes.
another zip file will be generated.
This is
Okay.
normal data. This is a Excel file. This is a zip file. But
Okay.
we can choose only zip file. See, system they understand the zip file only. Okay, normal, not Excel. Okay. This look at here. We can open the. This is the data. Okay.
Yeah.
Even though we can open the zip file also, whether the data is available or not. This is data. Same data is available.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Just follow the guidelines. Just see. Look at here. This is a. I give the documentation. This is a notepad, and this is a documentation also. Okay. This is the table names. This is a table names very important. This is a base table. This is a interface table name and supply error table name, and this is a base level table name. Okay, for the recon reports, check the whether the data, if in case went on error, then we can check the all the things. See, one record, two record very easily identified, but bulk wise we can load 1,000 of data, 10,000 data. What to do? So we need the table name require. We need to write a queries, right? That's why we require the tables. Okay, one or two records, nothing happening. We can see, okay, this is the other table. But bulk loading, 10,000, 20,000 records, we need the table name required. You got it?
Yeah.
Any? Let me know. So one more time. See, look at here. This is a process, step by step, simple planning. Okay, client understand the thing. What is the source? Template, choose the template. First one, which template this is suitable. Supplier means basically clean. Okay, supply header. Go to the FBDI template. That's all. Source, whatever they provided data, see, understand the data. See, sometimes you didn't understand, you can check with the functional name. How to map the field. Okay, this is a mapping field, one to one. Vendor name to supplier name. Some other name, taxpayer. Okay, check with them. Okay, whether this column suitable to this column, whether the table name column is available our city template, or else we can go for the if columns is available. If it is data is not available, we can choose. We can call it a descriptive fixed field is available. So the other names. This is secondary, but attribute number attributes. They can functional people configure the attributes. We can pass the value. Okay, new values. Okay, simple. What is the mandatory column here? Here, mandate column. Batch ID is a mandate column. Import action is a mandate column. Supplier name is a mandate column, and business relationship is a mandate column. Okay.
Star marked columns
Yes.
are the mandatory column.
Yes. Always choose. Simple thing. Okay. Mandatory, you can fill it. This is optional, but sometimes This is my real time. I'll explain to you, but you can pass these values also. Okay, this is also is a lookup course. Some okay. Data. Any doubts? Clear, right? Supply migration, data filling, data loading, and any doubts, let me know. So I can clarify the doubts. Guys, anyone, please.
We are clear, sir.
Clear? Huh? Okay. This document, please go through the document step by step. Cleansing means, see, client provided a number of times. What is the cleansing means? Client means they can sometimes also space also we can this way space, but system cannot allow the spaces. Okay, so remove the spaces like that. Or as bulk ways. Clean data also. Trim also you can. This is the thing. It removes the spaces. Okay, for example, look at here. This is the two spaces there. Okay, data. Okay, I'll pass it. Trim. Okay, this way paste special. Okay, look at it. There is no here above space is there. Here, look at here. There is no space at all. This way shortcut. After that, so this is example of that. Okay, and duplicate. If you find the duplicate, you can send back to the functional team. Okay, tomorrow we can discussion about the some other models like receivable models is the finance models. We can load customer data migration. Okay, we can load it. So keep on schedule process is common. One or two times we can load the data. If you have any doubts, let me know. We can discussion the class only. Before class, after class, we can discussion. Okay, guys. Any doubts? We can wind up the class today. Shall I wind up? Tomorrow we can come same time. We
Okay,
can.
sir. Okay,
Okay.
sir. Actually, what is our job role here? I mean, like, which job role are going to do all these things?
Especially this is a technical. Our role is a technical to develop the reports and data. Sometimes also doesn't know the functional people. Why? Because data loading they very easy, but writing the query functional person doesn't know, right? That's why technical people they can do the data migration. Understood?
Okay.
That's why our role is there to develop the reports like SQL reports and data migration also. This is a extra work. Okay, na? Role is our technical person. Technical means report development. In future class, I'll explain the report development also. Real-time issues also, no problem. But the starting stage, okay? This is a report development, nothing but what is a report development? Look at here. This is a front end, right? They will show. This is a they need a supplier name, organization type, supplier type, creation. That's all. 3 columns. Create the one report. That's all. Using the base table, you can get the report. That's all. I'll explain to the in future classes how to do the report development also. Okay. Any doubts? Let me know. We can any still is confusing any doubts on that. I can explain to you.